Hey guys, and welcome to this edition of Scruff's Garage. Today will be a quick video. I just wanted to give you a visual on how to change the air conditioning belt on the Corvette. So the Corvettes run two belts. You have your main serpentine belt that runs your water pump, your alternator, those main accessories, and then you have a separate belt that runs just the air conditioning. So that runs off this back pulley on the harmonic balancer. It's a 4-rib belt, I believe. Yeah, 4-rib. You also have two pulleys here in the middle. So this is an idler pulley, and then down here at the bottom is a tensioner pulley. Obviously, I'm rebuilding the whole car. So while I was at it, obviously I did the ATI harmonic balancer, but I also did two new pulleys here. These are very difficult to get to once everything's back in the car. So I decided I'd just spend a few bucks and go ahead and replace these while I had it out. Now, obviously, if you're at home and all you're interested in is just changing the belt, there would be a lot of other accessories in the way. But I just want to give you a visual on what you'd be looking at. Sometimes once you see it, then it's a little easier to get to it, even when there are other components in the way. So typically, you'd be coming at this. What you need to do is get to this tensioner. It'd probably be the easiest to come at it from the bottom. Just in front of the leaf spring, you can access this tensioner. I changed the belts on this car when I first got it, and I believe that's how I approached it at the time. So, alright, we'll go ahead and lay our belt at least in place and snake this into position. Okay, then with a breaker bar and a 15mm socket, like I said, you would probably access this from the bottom. It'd help if I got the belt above. Sorry, my arm was probably in the way. So I routed the belt under the over the socket. That way, when I press down, I can get that there. There we go. So it takes just a little finagling, but you can get the it runs between these two pulleys. Okay, so that's how the AC belt gets installed. Obviously, it's a little trickier when you have all the other components in the way, and you'd be accessing this from under the car. But pretty simple how that belt is routed, and of course you've got your main serpentine belt. That would have to come off as well. You'd have to loosen the tensioner up here. You'd have to slip this belt off. That way you could get the old belt off and then the new belt on, and then your main serpentine belt back on as well. So, hope that helps. And if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments below, and I'll help where I can. Have a great day.